To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Viewers, let's move on now to the other big story of the day. It is an open secret that there is nothing more important than Gandhi Parivar for the Congress party. Only yesterday, Revanth Reddy spelled it out in open that Sonia Gandhi is like a deity for him. And today, another Neta has followed his footsteps. Congress's Udit Raj has bizarrely compared Rahul Gandhi to Babasaheb Ambedkar, who is the father of the Indian Constitution. In an unapologetic manner, Udit Raj claims that OBC should follow Rahul's words and path, and that he will turn out to be the second Ambedkar for them. Listen in.
They opposed recommendation of Mandal Commission. They opposed reservation in higher education. And Congress did not oppose. Rahul ji has admitted that, of course, Congress did not do enough. And that is the confession. Definitely he will prove second Ambedkar for OBC. But OBC have to follow him, have to support him. Because BJP is basically against the OBC interest.
And viewers, this shocking analogy has drawn criticism from the BJP, which is accusing the Congress party of insulting Dr. Ambedkar in order to please the Parivar.
An old Congress president used to say, India is Indra, Indra is India. Then we saw some another sycophant chief minister of the Congress party saying Sonia is a deity. Now you have this, that Rahul Gandhi is Dr. Ambedkar ji. Look, the man whose DNA is anti-India, a man whose party's DNA is to conduct elections with parties like Jamaat-e-Islami in Kerala, can hardly be seen as somebody who should even hold up the constitution in his hand. Ambedkar ji is a man who was the founding father of our republic, founding father and the author of our constitution. Today, if there is anybody who truly, sincerely is implementing the constitution in letter and spirit, is Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji.
अंबेडकर जी का अपमान, दलितों का अपमान, यही बन चुकी है कांग्रेस पार्टी की पहचान। कांग्रेस पार्टी के उदित राज कहते हैं कि राहुल गांधी दूसरे अंबेडकर साबित होंगे। अरे भाई, पहले और ओरिजिनल और एक ही अंबेडकर जो इस देश में हैं, संविधान निर्माता, उनको अपमानित करने का काम किसने किया? किसने भारत रत्न से वंचित रखा? किसने 2 बार चुनाव हराए? किसने उनके संविधान को जम्मू कश्मीर में लागू नहीं होने दिया? किसने उनके विचारों के खिलाफ जाकर मुस्लिम आरक्षण की बात की? किसने SC ST OBC आरक्षण में खलल की? अरे भाई, पहले अंबेडकर जी की तो विचारधारा का सम्मान कीजिए, उनके संविधान का सम्मान कीजिए।
Yeah, definitely Babasaheb Ambedkar is an ideal for us, for the Congress party, for the whole of nation, and that is the reason Rahul Gandhi is also following him, and he has been raising questions from the government about OBCs, about scheduled caste, and definitely Rahul Gandhi is also admirer of Babasaheb.
Now, viewers, the statement by Udit Raj has come in response to Rahul Gandhi's big admission. Rahul Gandhi, while addressing an OBC event yesterday, acknowledged that he failed to understand the issues of the community in the past. The Congress MP vowed to correct the mistakes of his past as he accused the BJP and the RSS of attempting to crush the OBC community.
Untouchability, उनकी हिस्ट्री है तो एकदम पता लग जाता है। आदिवासियों के भी इश्यूज आसानी से समझ आ जाती हैं। आप उनके इलाके में जाइए, जंगल, जल, जमीन बिल्कुल सामने दिखता है। मगर ओबीसी की जो इश्यूज हैं, जो मुश्किलें हैं, वो छुपी रहती हैं, आसानी से नहीं दिखती हैं। मेरी रिग्रेट क्या है कि अगर मुझे आपकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में, आपकी इश्यूज के बारे में थोड़ा सा भी ज्यादा मालूम होता, मैं तभी जाति जनगणना करा देता.
And viewers, the Gandhi Science comments also drew a sharp response, with the BJP questioning him on what measures his party really took for OBCs when it was in power. Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan also slammed the Congress MP, saying it is his habit to utter nonsense and then apologize for it.
राहुल जी बहुत देर से समझ पाते हैं. पहले उन्होंने आपातकाल के लिए माफी मांगी, फिर उन्होंने सिख दंगों के लिए माफी मांगी, फिर उन्होंने ओबीसी से माफी मांगी. ओबीसी के लिए किया क्या कांग्रेस ने? कांग्रेस बताया कि मंडल आयोग की रिपोर्ट को ठंडे बस्ते में किसने डाला था. ओबीसी के कल्याण के हर संभव कदम को कुचलने का काम कांग्रेस ने किया. और अभी जो राहुल गांधी कर रहे हैं उसके लिए 10 साल बाद फिर माफी मांगेंगे. वो ठीक कभी करते ही नहीं है और 10 साल बाद माफी मांगते हैं.
कांग्रेस पार्टी दिवालिया हो चुकी है और उनकी नेता भी दिवालियापन उनमें आ गया है. आज हमने सुना कांग्रेस पार्टी फिर एक बार झूठ की सहारा लिया है. उन्होंने कहा है कि मोदी सरकार ओबीसी के लिए कुछ नहीं किया. आजादी के उपरांत पहली बार एक ओबीसी के नेतृत्व में पिछले 11 साल से भारत की सेवा की जा रही है. उस पर कांग्रेस पार्टी की बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत उनको हो रही है. कांग्रेस पार्टी पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी रिजर्वेशन के खिलाफ है, विशेष करके एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी की एम्पावरमेंट के खिलाफ है.
Now viewers, even as Rahul Gandhi preaches about ensuring justice to the OBCs, he and his netas continue to defame the community. Time and again, the Congress party has resorted to abusing the Prime Minister, who belongs to the OBC community. And today, one of Rahul's MP went a step further and made shocking remarks against the Prime Minister. Congress's Sukhdev Bhagat claimed that Prime Minister Modi is nothing more than allegedly converted OBC, who included his caste in the community list for their votes. Listen in to what this Congress neta said.
प्रधानमंत्री जी लीगली कन्वर्टेड ओबीसी हैं. मैं शब्द का प्रयोग कर रहा हूं, लीगली कन्वर्टेड ओबीसी में इसलिए कर रहा हूं कि जब मुख्यमंत्री बने उसके बाद जो इंक्लूजन हुआ ओबीसी में कौन होंगे, तो प्रधानमंत्री जी अपनी जो जिस वो कास्ट से आते हैं उसको उन्होंने शामिल कराया. तो बाई बर्थ वो ओबीसी नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने कहा लीगली कन्वर्टेड ओबीसी हैं. तो एक दर्द होता है. तो और एक बात मैं बताऊं, ये कहावत है, सौतेली माँ में ओरिजिनल माँ का वो प्रेम चीजें नहीं आती है. आप समझ सकते हैं मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूं.
Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who is live with us right now for more on this. Sabyasachi, so there are two essential aspects here. One, Rahul Gandhi has in a way acknowledged his mistake. He said he did not really know earlier the issues that plagued the OBC community. And on the other hand, we have Udit Raj comparing Rahul Gandhi to Dr. Ambedkar. Clearly ammunition for the BJP to target and ask some tough questions.
Well, that's right. See, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been focusing on the other backward caste, on the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes for a very long time. And this has been one of the agendas of the Congress party. If you had seen in the past several sammelans which had been organized by the Congress party, and the Congress party have been asking for reservation in private institution for the other backward caste. Now, Rahul Gandhi also pointed out that how in several institutions, in policy, in research, the posts that belong to the OBCs are completely vacant. Now, Rahul Gandhi for that has blamed the central government, stating that the central government knowingly increasingly is denying the right of the OBCs, and once the Congress comes into power, then the right of the OBCs will be given. Now, the Congress party somewhere feels that in the last few polls, which the Congress party has not done well, they feel that the Congress party has been losing its touch with the other backward caste, and that is the reason why this messaging from Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party is coming forward. And on the other hand, if you have leaders like Mr. Udit Raj, who compares Mr. Rahul Gandhi to Baba Saheb Ambedkar, has definitely given a lot of arm and ammunition to the BJP. The BJP, in fact, from a very long time, since the day the Congress has started raising the matters of the other backward caste as well as the SCs and the STs,
right,
the BJP, in fact, pointed out that time and again,
right,
it was the Congress party when under its regime they had oppressed their voices. In fact, they have not given the due respect and the credit to Baba Saheb Ambedkar himself.
Right.
So these are some of the allegations which are continuously coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party side.
All right. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story. With this, we will slip into a very short break. More news and updates on the other side. Don't go anywhere.